Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and here are the 30 most common verbs in English that everyone should know. Examples are also given for easy understanding. Watch, learn and enjoy. Look. Alexandra looks at herself in the mirror consistently. Show. Ruby is showing her sister the pictures on her camera. Understand. As a system analyst, Emma understands her work very well. Meet. Robert is meeting his friend after a long time. Spend. Gabriella spends a lot, especially at the malls. Walk. Walking amidst the trees in the forest is much loved by Brandon. Speak. Samantha speaks efficiently in most of the board meetings. Read. Julia reads books and novels on daily basis. Watch. They were watching movies on Netflix all day long. Build. A group of kids are building a sand castle at the beach. Push. She is pushing the wheelbarrow filled with pumpkins. Hear. He is unable to hear anything as he has some ear defect. Write. I have the habit of writing my plans every morning. Win. Jack is an expert chess player and he wins almost in every game. Call. Amira calls her grandmother once a week. Go. I'm going to the supermarket to buy some fruits. Think. William thinks and plans carefully before doing every task. See. Elena couldn't see properly without her glasses. Play. Children in the neighborhood love to play on this playground. Sit. Maria enjoys sitting and playing on the carpet. Stand. He is standing near the countertop. Lead. Susan is leading the horse to the water. Grow. Jane loves to grow plants at her home. Feel. Jonathan is feeling angry with his parents for not buying ice cream. Open. Scarlett was surprised when she opened her gift. Remember. Always remember the ones you love or the dearest ones around you. Kill. Corona or COVID-19 has killed tons of people last year. Die. His mother died of heart attack last year. Buy. Maya prefers to buy clothes via online shopping. Wait. Waiting for the train to arrive can be boring sometimes. Thank you so much for engaging yourselves in this video. Do subscribe and share if you love my channel. Your love and support is very much appreciated. See you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves and bye.